Hello friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to add an AOL email account to Gmail. Want to add AOL Mail to Gmail? Here's how you can do it in a few easy steps. When you open Gmail in your browser, click the little gear icon at the top right corner and select See All Settings. Head over to the Account and Import tab. In the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click Add a Mail Account. Enter your AOL email address and click Next. Select the Link Accounts using Gmailify option and click the Next button. Enter your AOL email address again and click Next. Provide your AOL password and click Next once more. Click Agree to allow Gmail to access your AOL account. Once successfully added to the AOL account, click the Close button. Your AOL emails are now in Gmail, so you can easily manage all your emails in one place. You can check your AOL email in your Gmail inbox and open the AOL Mail in your browser. Tap on Inbox at the top of the left side and see your AOL Mail, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.